Mecherath. Everyone at Mecherath would like to thank you for subscribing. We appreciate your business. In this video, we will go over step by step as a new user of Mecherath. The first step is to download the main software, FileMaker. Click on this link. There are a few steps you need to take the first time using Mecherath, just to initially set up. Once these are completed, logging into your account is very simple. If you're using an iPad, Mac, or PC, download the appropriate software and follow the steps for your operating system. When you open FileMaker, it will default to a screen that says Getting Started. Close that screen. Go back to your email and click on this link. It will automatically open your file, asking for your username and password, which is also in the email. We suggest you save this password in your keychain, making re-login much easier. You'll have to do this twice. The first time you're logging into the server, the second time you're logging into your file. By saving your password in the keychain, you only need to use your device password to log in. After entering the passwords you've been given, you'll be prompted to create your own. This will be the password you'll use for all future logins. If you're using an iPad or an iPhone, the process is just a little bit different. In the App Store, download FileMaker Go. Click on Adding a Host. Using the host address from the email, type that in as the host address. Give it an optional name if you choose. Now that you've logged into your server, log into your file. Use your username and password from your email. Unless you've created a new password, use that. If you're on any other smartphone other than an iPhone, the process is simple. Go to a browser, enter the host address shown in your email, enter your file account and password, giving you access to the server, repeat the login, logging you directly into Mecherath's time clock. Whether accessing Mecherath from FileMaker Go or your smartphone, you will only have access to the time clock part of the solution. Mecherath can be accessed in complete from the desktop or the iPad. The reason is you want to give your employees from the field only certain access. Those are the features offered in the time clock. For an employee to have availability to other features in the field, they need to have an iPad. Regardless of how you choose to let them use Mecherath, it's a per-user fee. Preferences and restrictions can be set up so that that employee can only use certain features, giving you complete control over Mecherath. Now you've logged in and are able to use your Mecherath file, secure and encrypted, protecting your files. We welcome you to join one of our online trainings, get more familiar with Mecherath, and help it to become one of the most valuable tools in your business.